In QGIS, you can define different map themes for your project to easily switch between different background maps, combinations of visible layers, or their styles, and use them in your Mergin Maps project in the mobile app. In this demo, we'll define different symbology for survey layers depending on the displayed background map using styles. Then we'll set up map themes so that we can switch between the basic and satellite background maps along with the corresponding layer styles. Here we have a point layer, survey, and a polygon layer, survey polygons, that use simple symbols with a non-transparent fill so that they can clearly be visible on the background map. Now we'll define a new style named satellite for survey layers. Click right on the survey layer and choose Styles, Add from the context menu, and there type satellite. This will be our non-default styling that we're going to set up now in the layer styling panel. Here I'm going to change the symbology in such a way that we use a transparent fill so that the outline of a feature is visible on the satellite background map. Choose Simple Marker, change the size to 3.6, then make the fill transparent, change the stroke color to red, and change the stroke width to 0.6. Now we have a nice transparent marker for the survey layer. If I click right, I now see that we have two styles at this layer, default and satellite, and I can easily switch between the two. Now let's do the same for survey polygons. Click right, Styles, Add, and name the style Satellite. Also here I'm going to use a transparent fill. Go to Simple Fill, change it to transparent, change the stroke color to red, and increase the stroke width to 0.66 millimeters. Then click right on the layer and switch between the default style and the satellite style. That works well, and we can use that to set up our map themes. You can configure map themes using the eye icon in the Layers panel. Choose Add Theme, give the name of the new theme. Let's call this one Default. Click OK. Now we create the second map theme, where we don't want the Open Map Tiles layer but the Google Satellite in the background, and we change the styles of both layers to the non-default style Satellite. Now we can add a new theme called Satellite. Click OK. Now we can easily switch between the two map themes that change the background layer as well as the appropriate styling. Let's see how this looks like in the Mergin Maps app on the mobile device. In the mobile app, tap More and select the Map Themes option. There you can switch between the two map themes that we have defined. Switch between default and satellite to see the result.